When I was starting out as a filmmaker, I spent a lot of time watching videos, reading articles, breaking down pages of PDFs. But you don't have to do that because you know what? I got you. So today I'm going to break it down simply in what is a script, what you need to do or know before writing one, and the free tools you can use to start writing now. So a script is a document that is used to guide everything in the production, from what we see on the screen, what we hear, what the characters say, how they behave, and so forth. So we have different types of scripts that make the different types of films. And a rule that is usually applied here is 1 page of the script makes 1 minute of the film. 1 minute of the film is made by 1 page of the script. So number one, we have short films. These ones are from 1 minute to about 45 minutes. So to make them, you need a script of about 1 page to 45 pages there in between. Number two, we have feature films. These are 45 minutes and so on. Some people even make them up to 3 hours. Number three, we have series. These are the ones that usually have episodes. So they are also into categories. We have web series and TV series. Web series are about 3 minutes to 15 minutes and are usually found on the internet, social media, and so on. The TV series are the ones that most people know. They have episodes of 20 minutes to 45 minutes, thereabout. So what you need to know before you start writing a script, number one, is the format. You need to know how a script is formatted so that it can look professional and it can be ready to be produced. So the first component of a script is the scene heading. This is like the title of the scene. It is usually written in terms of either INT, which stands for interior, if a scene is inside a building or a house or a room, EXT for exterior, and then the location of the scene, and then the time of day. The next after that is the action line, which talks of how the scene happens and who are the people involved in the scene. And then we have the character name. And after that, we have the dialogue, what the character says, of course. And then the parenthetical, I have said that right. Parenthetical, which is in brackets, talks of how a character says the line or how they behave. And then we have the transition. This is in terms of fade out or cut to or cut back to, for example, if a scene needs to cut to another scene and then cut back. So we see the other scene and then we see this current scene. So those are the components of the script. And the second thing you need to do before writing a script is to read other scripts. Yes, read other scripts, and it's quite easy really. Just go to Google and search the name of the movie plus PDF script. For example, Titanic PDF script, and you will find, yes, you can download the script of Titanic and read it. This will help you in three things. It will help you to know the pacing, how scripts are written in terms of pace. It will help you to learn how scenes are written. It will help you to learn how to write visually. The final thing you need to do before writing a script is, of course, to flesh out your idea. Most beginners find an idea and immediately start writing it. And an idea is not a story. You need to flesh out your idea in terms of, you need to know who your main character is. You need to know what they want and what their obstacles are. Remember, an idea is not a story. To flesh out your idea into a story that is ready to be written, you can use two tools, an outline or a treatment. An outline is where you write line by line what each scene should contain. And a treatment is where you write everything like a composition. And voila, we are ready to write now. So the three free tools you can use to write, one is called Celtex, the other one is called Writer Duet, the other one is called Final Draft, although Final Draft is more on the professional level and has a paid subscription as well. So let's use Celtex for now. So yeah, so you go into Google and type Celtex, and this is the interface. You just get started. Scroll down, ignore the paid options unless of course you want to pay, but you can come here and say no thanks, keep me on the limited plan. It will open a page like this once you've gone through the setup process, and then you can be able to create your document. So project name, maybe sample, you can also upload. So let's create the project. Yeah, and there it is. You can now write your project. By based on and all. So this is the title page. Then you can write your contact information here. And then now you can start writing the scene heading. So interior, office, day. And then automatically it goes to the action line. So it's actually programmed to help you write easily. So you can write, the first time we meet a character, we write their name in capital. Eric is seated. Okay, let's remove the caps. Seated. And then if you can select from here the different components. So now we want to go to character. If it doesn't go automatically, you select from here. So character. Yeah, next thing is dialogue, of course. And then yeah, and so on and so forth. So for the parenthetical, let me illustrate for the parenthetical. Select and yeah, something like that. So Celtex also has a mobile option. You can download a mobile app. Also, if you can't download an app, you can use it on the web browser of your mobile, Chrome. Yes. And happy writing. So if you found this video helpful, kindly leave a comment for me, right in the comment section, and I might consider giving more tips on filmmaking, from writing, directing, to actually shooting your first film. Thank you very much, and remember to like the video and to subscribe.